All right, so me and my dad are actually back home, and we are trying to replace the plastics because, as you can see, his is really beat up and sun faded and just awful. So it's 7mm bolts all along the side here, and then underneath, which there is only 4 underneath, 2 on the very ends, and then 2 closer to the middle that are 10mm. Then once you get those all out, I think this should just slide out. I think. I could be wrong, but we shall see.
Yeah, we gotta get those.
So.
If we clip along the top.
Oh, do they clip along the top? Okay.
Well, if you look.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. So we'll have to figure that out. Right. So, yeah, we'll figure that out too. There's some stuff on the top that's just hidden. So, yeah. All right, now that she's apart here on the front of the Avalanche, so we took out all the little clips just with a little clip puller, you know, like that. And then there was another set down here, and you take out this entire thing. There is a clip here, clip there, clip here, 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 and here. And then those other 3, or 4, correction, body clips are up there, right? So pretty easy. And then had to remove the lower grill because if you see, there is a little bracket right here, and you need an extension for this, and it's a 10mm to get to it. And you know, so it's a kind of a dumb design, I'm not gonna lie. And then you get easier access to prying the bumper out, and you can see all the little clips that are in it. You know, all these, you kind of have to like pry, but to be honest, I was more just like pushing down a little bit and then pulling, and eventually they came out. I think a couple of these little things broke coming out, but that's welcome to these stupid body clips. I freaking hate doing this sort of stuff. But yeah, so this is the old one that's all kind of screwed up and cracked, and I mean, this as an example isn't even mounted properly, where this is the new one we picked out of the junkyard the other day. So yeah, but we need to go to Napa because one of the fog lights are very screwed up and burnt out and rusty and bent, and yeah. So that's next on the agenda. Oh, and I forgot to explain this. So this is the grill, right? And these are just decorative, and basically you just twist them out a little bit to get these to clear the inner parts of the grill, that it's like, you can kind of see how they're through like that, right? That is what they do. To get to that one bolt, which got dropped and don't know where it went. So we might not put that one bolt back in, unless if it fell all the way through, which it may have. We'll see. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Well, sort of. Anyways, you get the idea. All right, even though it's upside down from before, to where it's all broken and broken here, to after. Now, it's not perfect, and this bumper is definitely not perfect at all, but you can take a look at the fog lights and stuff like that, and those are all, you know, uncracked and everything. There's some scratches, whatever else on this. To be fair, I think some of that's self-inflicted from us.
Oh, a little bit, maybe.
But overall, it's better anyways. And, you know, so yeah, sorry, this wasn't like a full how to do this video. This is just a kind of showing you approximately. Now, we couldn't get a couple of the bolts in because, well, 2 of them broke, and then one of them would not line up underneath. And yeah, so, but it's okay. And then this right here, just needs some 2-sided tape because the clip broke here. So other than that, not too bad. So hope you guys did enjoy this. This is the first time you're seeing my face on the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, your cat, your family, your dog, your fish maybe. I don't know. Just thinking of stuff. Anyways, look down in the description below for some discount codes and some links. One is to Flash Shark Racing. Use my code KAT15 for 15% out at checkout. It's all in caps. And the same code on Oxido, which they make amazing lights. Case in point, this has 1 Oxido light in it. I say 1 because we can't really get to the other one very easily. So yeah. Anyways, take care, and I'll catch you next one. Peace out.